fun, more to learn. Let's go!
Luna snuggles in bed, staring at stars twinkling outside her window. A soft golden light sparkles in her room. A fairy appears.
"Hello, Luna," says the fairy kindly. "Dreamland needs you tonight."
Luna takes the fairy's tiny hand, floating out of her window. They rise into the night sky, surrounded by glowing clouds. A unicorn gallops along a rainbow path, neighing happily. The unicorn bows. Luna climbs onto its back, excited but calm. They race across moonlit clouds, leaving trails of glittering sparks. Suddenly, a dragon appears, wings wide, glowing eyes bright. The fairy reassures Luna. He's friendly and guards Dreamland. The dragon smiles, blowing warm, sparkling breath like stardust. Together, they reach Dreamland Meadow, glowing with starlight. A cow floats past on a fluffy cloud, humming a lullaby. A playful dog chases glowing fireflies, wagging its tail. A curious cat paws gently at a shining moonbeam. The meadow grows quiet until a huge shadow appears. A monster steps forward, but he looks sad, not scary. "I can't sleep," the monster whispers with drooping eyes. Luna approaches kindly, saying, "We can help you rest." The fairy sprinkles silver dust, while the unicorn hums softly. The dragon curls his tail gently around the monster for comfort. "Close your eyes. Dream tonight." The monster yawns loudly, then snuggles into the grass. He drifts off peacefully as the stars twinkle above. Luna waves goodbye, returns to bed, and whispers, "Good night, Dreamland."
PlayPeep fun inside. Click now!